back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Shannon and this is Dan and we are Clear Mind Jewelry.
So for those of you who have already been watching our videos, we realized that we never really told you what our intention was with the YouTube channel. So what we're really trying to do with this channel is education based. Mainly we focus on casting in sense of like jewelry. We also make some other weird stuff from time to time. We also have jumped into the world of 3D printing, jumping from 3D printing straight into the casting. So we focus a lot on resins and how the printer works and tips and tricks and things like that. I'm also pretty heavy into engraving, mostly self-taught, very budget-based. Just the way the community is with engraving, I realized it could use some improvement, a bit more user-friendly. So that's mostly what we're going to be focusing on. There will be other things like tool making and a little bit of blacksmithing thrown in there. Both of those things are passions of mine that I do outside of this studio. So yeah.
So if you're enjoying our videos, definitely check us out on social media. We're always more active on Instagram, posting content there regularly about the projects that we're doing, as well as more information in regards to the projects that we've shown you guys here on the channel. So as well as checking out the work, you can come over to our Instagram page to ask us any questions that you may have. When we formed this community, we realized that you guys had a lot of questions in processing your own work, and we're happy to help you there. Definitely check out the description box down below for all of our social links, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any suggestions in regards to the videos you want to see, the techniques you want to see, or if we missed anything in any of the videos that we do.
We're always open to suggestions. We're always open to criticism. Like, we don't claim to be the masters of everything. If we say something wrong, please correct us. We are always learning. And
we just try. We're trying to be the resource for you guys that we didn't have when we first started, and help each other out and start a community and learn more. So if you guys want to learn along with us and build that community, and if you need any help in creating your own studios, we just started a Patreon page to help us out with that. We noticed that along the way you guys have had a lot of questions, and a lot of them are very specific. So what kind of kiln do you recommend? What do you recommend for melting this kind of metal? What temperatures?
What kind of resin should you use in your 3D printer? That's a major one.
So if you have any specific questions and you want some one-on-one time, you want some education time, you need a mentor or an instructor, please head over to our Patreon page. The links will be in the description box down below, and we'd be more than willing to help you out with that. We want to create a community here, and we want to learn together. So let's get right to that. So we know this was a really short video, guys, but we just wanted to jump on here and kind of explain some of what it is that we do now that we are getting more subscribers and that we're starting to discuss more things with you and starting to form more of a community. So if you like any of our videos, remember to give them a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button. We always appreciate it, so that you guys make sure that you get our content when you want to see our content. As always, if you want to see anything, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.